Here's a quick video to show you how to cut a copper water line. I have my mark right here that I need to cut, and this is the cutter. You can see the blade is right there. We're going to simply place the line inside of here, line that blade up on the line there, and we're going to turn this to the right to tighten it. Just like this. Got everything lined up. Now I'm going to turn this to the right until I feel it grab the line. Now I'm on. It's not super tight yet. We don't want to go super tight because then we'll start to crimp the end. Turn it just like that. Turn it to the right a little bit more. Same thing. Keep going. Let's turn it to the right again. All right, one more time. There we go, a nice clean cut. Now before I would hook this up to any type of valve or anything like that, we need to make sure we clean it out. Take a wire brush to the inside of it, get out any of those burrs that are in there. And then we'll want to do the same thing to the outside with this little sander here. If you need a tool like this, check the link below, I got you covered. And there you go, it's cut and ready to go. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.